What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, the Bitcoin price is having several patterns which could possibly be playing out right now. Which one is actually going to play out, guys? A breakout is definitely imminent. And guys, there are several altcoins which have had massive gains within the last few weeks that we got in really early. I wanted to go over all of those coins and where they could possibly be going. And guys, if that sounds good to you, be sure to subscribe and like, and I'm going to dive right into the price action. Okay guys, so we definitely have a pretty clear pattern playing out right here. Okay, we've got a diamond formation pattern. Okay. And it looks like we're actually about to get some kind of movement through it right now. So that's definitely one pattern I'm looking at right here. And the reason we can say it's a diamond formation is because of the middle movement. Okay, this big move in the middle. Okay, you need a big move like this to indicate a diamond formation, and not only that, but the move into it. So for instance, from this point of breakout right here up to here, and that's exactly how you would measure the target. So for instance, say like we broke up to the downside out of the diamond, we could easily be up at around 68,900, basically 69,000. Okay guys, so again, this is a bullish continuation pattern, so we could definitely end up seeing a little bit of bullish action here. But guys, there's no guarantee we could break to the upside like that. So say like we ended up breaking to the downside, all right? And let's just put it to the point of resistance or support right there, excuse me. Okay, so for instance, even if we broke down past that, we're looking at around 50,300. But in reality, guys, I don't think we would break this area of support here because we've been holding it, you know, for many weeks, even months, you know guys, since the beginning of the year we've been holding it. So I think we would definitely end up holding it there. But then we also have one more pattern playing out right here. Okay, and that would be a horizontal triangle, guys. And this is very clear as day. Okay, so for instance, you could start drawing it from right there, or you could even go all the way back here and draw it. Okay, and guys, if you wanted to measure that target back to back, the potential point of breakout, so we could easily end up again around 68.4. So both of those bullish targets are definitely around the same place, guys. And again, as long as we hold the trends that we're on, we can foresee these higher prices coming into play, guys. But we have to play them as they go. So guys, what I'm going to be looking for is a breakout. Okay, so either way. And how I would determine that, quite simply, is just looking for the hourly close above the pattern resistance or below the pattern support. Okay, not even factoring in just regular support lines or areas of support, trend, anything. Using the patterns alone, that's what I would be looking for. And then guys, you look for even more confirmations. For instance, bring up your EMA 20. Bring up your EMA 55. Look for clear crosses, okay? That shows polar price action movement, okay? So really keep an eye for that. You can even see here at the bottom of this wedge here, we had a nice cross there, and then we moved up, okay? All the way up to the top of the wedge. And guys, even just that move alone, you know, that's 29% with 10x leverage. That's some serious gains. That's 290%, guys. That's real. All right. So understand the EMAs are a real strong play, and if you play them in with your patterns, it's absolutely pivotal. Okay. And there's many other indicators you could use as well, but I really love the EMAs. Okay. And guys, there are several other altcoins I wanted to go over, so let's just dive right into them right now. Electroneum is the first one we're going to go over today, so let's jump right into it. So guys, I gotta just say, Electroneum looking extremely healthy right now. Obviously, we had a little bit of a dip right now below the EMA 55 right here, but in general, it is looking very healthy, guys. I haven't seen Electroneum this healthy in a while, and it is just looking good. We're getting an ascending triangle right here, breaking out very clearly. And guys, a breakout is imminent. It could happen any moment. We could get a breakout to the upside, and if we measured that technical target, the back of the wedge, bottom of the wedge, or point of price action, the potential point of breakout, you could be looking all the way up at 0.024 for an Electroneum price. Now guys, again, there's no guarantees that it will break up, but remember, ascending triangles do have a percentage chance of breaking to the upside by 70%. But let's show the downward projection as well. So say like we broke out to the downside, we could easily end up down at 0.014 again. Now guys, I think if it does even hit all the way down there, I'm still bullish. Okay, it's just, a scary move for sure. But in reality, I think we are going to break to the upside. Remember guys, Richard Ells was literally telling everyone in his videos to buy the coin during this accumulation phase. Once they stopped giving away the coin, the price has been steadily moving up, and that's kind of an obvious, guys. I bought as much Electroneum as I could at 0.00 and change while the getting was good. And I told you guys all to do the same. I just want to zoom out for a moment so you guys can really understand this for a second. Guys, all back through here is when I was telling you guys to purchase this coin. And even further back, we go to the daily for a second. Guys, I was telling you to buy right all the way back here. This is when I first bought. And what was very interesting was we had a massive pump, and then everyone kind of started to pay attention. And a lot of you started to buy right in through here. So a lot of you I know have made some excellent gains. And basically anyone who's even bought and even say, let's just say right here, you're sitting up over 300%, guys. So, it doesn't get any better than that, guys. Congratulations to all who have taken the Electroneum call and believed even when the getting wasn't good. All right, guys, because that's what it takes to make it in this game. You have to understand what's going on. You can't be fed aside. Man, I saw so many comments from people just totally off, and that's a shame because you're negatively influencing people that could have made a lot of money, and you probably scared a couple people out of it. So guys, try not to bring that to this table. Again, I'm only doing this to help you guys. I want you guys to make as much money as you can. I'm only sharing this stuff with you guys if I'm doing it myself. And again, my win ratio is very high. But guys, there are many other coins to go over. Again, watch for those breakouts. That is what I'm looking for on the Electroneum price action. So again, watch for a breakout to the downside or an upside. But again, play the breakouts. Okay, guys? Let's talk about Mana. Definitely an extremely popular coin, especially since my last video, guys. Massive pump. We're talking over 1,000% in the last month and a half. So definitely some epic times for Mana. But what's going to happen right now? So for instance, we're in this big wedge right now. We have another smaller wedge within a wedge. And guys, we measured that from the back of this target to the point of breakout. And guys, this was just clear as day, hit easily. Easily hit. If you were looking for a small profit trade, that's a quick one. But until then, we got to be playing this wedge. Now remember, this is all-time high up here at $1.20. And then this is previous all-time high. So I was a little worried when we broke it for a moment, but luckily, lo and behold, the pattern held strong. The resistance or the support came into play, and we ended up moving up. Now guys, how I projected how low this could possibly be was I took from the body to the base of the price action, which was about 32%. And then I measured from this top to the base of price action. And guys, look at that, 33%. So we almost had the same exact move right there to there. So guys, man is looking super healthy. I mean, I did some reading, and they're talking $3, $4, some people saying $9. Some extremely bullish projections. So I think, the sky is the limit with Mana, and with a coin that's only been around a few years, getting released on Gemini recently, that's a big deal. I think that's why we saw some really big price action going in. And Decentraland really has a lot going for it. The virtual reality, the gaming center, everything is really big right there. So definitely some good things to come for Mana. And guys, one more coin I wanted to talk about real quick was Link. Everybody very interested in Link. What's going to happen? Well, guys, let's check it out. So a few things could happen right now. We definitely have an ascending triangle playing out right here. Let's go to a slightly bigger time frame to see that a little better. Now, guys, as you know, these were all trades we took way back here, buying and just rotating this wedge. And guys, anyone who took those trades is sitting up nicely right now. But guys, we have to play this pattern accordingly. Okay, so we have to watch for the breakout. So again, remember your EMAs. Watch for your EMAs to get a clear cross. Okay, for instance, the 20 to the 55. Okay, and you can even see it back here, a clear indication. So if you would have played the bottom of the wedge, you could have obviously made a profit. Okay, again here. But guys, I always try to teach you guys to play the breakouts because it's the safest way. That means the EMAs have already crossed. and that means you're looking for an hourly close in the candles, quite simply. Okay. Now again, if you wanted to measure this target projection on the back of the wedge, which actually played out perfect. Look at that. How often do you get a perfect triangle like that? To the point of potential breakout. Let's say we break out right there. We could easily end up at 42.5, guys. And guys, that's well within Link's limits. I mean, I'm actually a little surprised we're not a little higher in the price action right now with all the boosting that's been going on. I was expecting at least 35 bucks by now. So yes, in reality, we kind of teetered around at 37, almost hit 40. But guys, this is about to break again. It's overdue. So definitely be watching for Link. And I will say this, guys, I'll be brazen enough to say, you know, if you wanted to scoop up Link even at this price, I think you will remain profitable. Okay, guys, quite simply. And guys, that's all the time I have for today. These are just biblical times in cryptocurrency. I just couldn't be happier, guys. I'm making money every single day through leverage trades and just buys and sells. I mean, guys, this is a freaking feeding frenzy right now. It's been a feeding frenzy since last March. And guys, if you don't know, I am taking students. If you want to learn your financial freedom and learn how to trade and navigate the cryptocurrency minefield, guys, I'm giving a service for extremely cheap. You know, I'm dedicating one-on-one time to you guys, and so far all of my students are just crushing it, guys. I have success story after success story for you guys. I could go over that for hours if I wanted to. But the reality is the students will tell you themselves, guys. If you want to discover your financial freedom, reach out to me today at bitcoindeathstar@gmail.com, and I am happy to help you guys. We are just having a blast. And that's the reality, guys. If you want to have some fun making money, reach out to me today. You won't be disappointed. That's all I can say at this point. But guys, that's all the time I have for today. I got to get this video out quick before this breakout happens, and then I got 8 students today lined up. So guys, these are just epic times. Guys, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. With cryptocurrency, I make it as easy as just riding that wave. Guys, I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.